Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this BMW 635 CSI. This casting is by Hot Wheels, and as you can see it's new for 2025. It's got a really cool paint job. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the BMW out of its packaging, and it does look cool. I really like the paint job. And it's a wide body car too. If you see here, look how wider it is compared to the actual body. It's a good wide body car, and it's got some good details. First of all, as we talked about the paint job, paint looks nice. The black and gold has also got those wheels which we saw first on the Alfa Romeo GTV, and these are nice wheels. They look more of modified kind of way, so it's not like stock. Let's go to the front. So up front you got some good details, some details they messed out. So the headlamp, if you look closely, it's like a clear plastic kind of thing. It's not on the metal one, which if you look closely looks good, but if you look from far it looks like there's no detail. You got the BMW grille, you got this bumper with chrome accent, so kind of those 90s kind of design. Very squarish body, just like the earlier BMW. And as I said, it's a wide body. If you see how wider the wheel arches are. On the hood you have got BMW badge number 35, Mothers, Castrol and Hot Wheels. And I'm not sure if it's a split window or it's just a single windshield wiper. I'm not sure about that. You can also see there's a sunroof, and then there are a few names mentioned. Number 35 on the roof again. Now going to the driver's side, again number 35, HWS, Mothers, Castrol and High Graphics. So the names mentioned here. You also got the mirror, which is a good thing. Door handles also detailed, again nice details there. Now let's move to the back. Again good details here. You can see the chrome bumper continues, the black body, which looks good. Even the tail lamp is kind of finished in the same material as the front. I'm sure these were, though we're not, I'm not sure actually. I think those were not clear, but here Hot Wheels hasn't done a red one, but I think you can detail if you want. You also got the spoiler on the trunk. Again, a big spoiler. Also, if you look from the rear, like there is no rear seat. It looks more like, I'm not sure what it really looks like. Is it a roll cage or something else? But definitely it's doesn't have rear seats. Even in the front you got the racing seats, and I think it looks good. It's more of a racing car, right? And it also got side mounted exhaust here, which is again a cool feature. Not a feature, cool modified feature. So overall, well, should you get it? I think yes, it's a good looking casting. It does have a few drawbacks, but still looks really good. And I think it will look good in your collection with other BMWs. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.